Hello all of you. Welcome to our YouTube channel of Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering. I am Parth Wadhwa from Hasmukh Goswami College of Engineering and from IIT department. I am going to explain you today the linear data structure, in which the particular part I am going to explain, that is linked list. Now, what is a linked list? First of all, we will see this. That is the particular sequential allocation method in is unacceptable here. There are many applications like this in which sequential allocation is unacceptable because of the following characteristics. One is the unpredictable storage requirement and extensive manipulation of the storage data, we can say. The one method of obtaining the address of the node is to store the address in the computer's main memory. We refer this addressing mode as the pointer of the link addressing, we can say. And the simple way is represent a linear list is to expand each node to contain a link or pointer to the next node. This representation is called a one-way chain or singly linked linear list. So this is the particular part. In the linked list there are two parts, we can say. The first part is containing a data or some value or some information, we can say. And the second part is containing the address of the next node. If the particular if the particular node is a last node, then the particular address is null, that is empty part is given in that. If it is not empty, then it will continue with the address of the next node. So here we have to see. So here some pointers are there. So now first of all I will explain this part. Here this is the linked list that is given. Here this red letters are that is the particular address of the particular node that is given, and this particular A is an information of this particular first part. That is, second part is showing the address of the next node. So here it is address 1000 and 1000, that is matching. So this 1000 is the address of the next node, that is containing again the address of the next node, that is again containing. So this is the last node, so that's why here the value is null. So this is a linked list in which the nodes are sequentially arranged according to the address that is given in the each and every node of the next node. And this particular part, this linked allocation of the storage can result in both efficient of the storage, computer storage, and the computer time, we can say. The linked list is a non-sequential collection of the data items. Each node is divided into two parts. The first part, here I have already told, the first part is information and the second part is address of the next node. Now here the last node is containing the null value in the address. It is possible for a list to have no nodes at all. Such a list is called empty node. अगर कोई भी node अगर available नहीं है, so that particular part is called a empty list, we can say. Now here, next part, what are the pros and cons, that is the advantage or disadvantage, we can say, in this linked allocation part. Now first thing we are going to see, this is the insertion operation. The insertion operation, that is an advantage part. So that is more efficient in the linked allocation, as we can insert at anywhere in this particular. So here is an example given. We have an n elements in the list, right here, and it is required to insert a new element between the first and second element. So what to do with the sequential allocation and linked? So insertion operation is more efficient. How it is more efficient? So what we have to do is, first of all, this is a new node. This particular part is given. See, so here this is a particular linked list that is already given. Now X is here the information, and the address here already is not given, but we have to insert this node with the information X in between the first and second. So how we will do that? That we will see here. Here the 1000 part is given. Now what we have to do? We have to arrange some particular memory for this. That address is given here, 2100 already is given for this. Now what we have to do? We have to replace this address first of all we have to replace this address with this address. Okay, so here the address of this new node will be replaced by this 1000. Now what will happen, this is particular showing the address of the next node, that is B. That new node is showing the address of the next node, that is B. Now finally we have to replace this particular address from this A with the information A with this new node address, that is 2100. Then finally what will happen, the A will show the address of the next node, that is X, and finally X will show the next address B. So that is what, that is an insertion operation that is more efficient in this linked allocation, we can say. Now next part, here the deletion operation is also more efficient. You can delete any node from anywhere. Okay, any particular particular position, we can say. So here the particular example is given here. So here the A, the 1000 part is given. Now this cross is showing that what, that B part is to be deleted now. So what will happen now, C and D is the next node. So what to do now, here it is showing the 1000. The 1000 is the address of this B with the information node with information B. Now what we have to do, we have to just replace this part with the address of this. So 1000 is to be replaced by 2050. So 2050 is shown here. Now it will show the address of directly C. So B will be again eliminated and it will be given as an information that this particular node is with information B is deleted finally. So this is how the deletion is done. Next is search operation. Search operation means what, we have to search any particular node in the list that is required. So it is necessary to follow the links from the first node onwards until the desired node is found. So in this situation it is more time consuming to go through the linked list than a sequential list. Search operation is more time consuming in linked allocation. Search क्यों है time consuming? Why it is time consuming? Because क्या है कि मतलब कि सर्च करना है कि कौन सा नोड है, कौन सा पर्टिकुलर नोड दिया है, तो उसमें सर्च करना है कि पर्टिकुलर नोड की इन्फॉर्मेशन में, जैसे मैंने प्रोवाइड किया है कि आई वांट टू सर्च द नोड विद इन्फॉर्मेशन बी. ठीक है, तो वो क्या करेगा, बी हो सकता है फर्स्ट में भी हो सकता है लास्ट में भी हो, पॉसिबल है कि कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि वो सेकंड में ही होगा. So for that, what we have to do, we have to start with the first node and again we have to give the condition. If it is matched, then we have to finally show the particular position of that node and stop there the particular operation. So तो वो क्या होगा, एक एक करके सारे नोड को सिक्वेंशियली वो फाइनली मैच करने का ट्राई करेगा, मैच करके फिर फाइनली जहाँ पे वो नोड मैच होगा फिर वहाँ पे वो स्टॉप करेगा. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ मोर टाइम कंज्यूमिंग, क्योंकि उसको डायरेक्टली वो चीज़ नहीं मिल जाती. It has to see each and every node from the starting. Now the join operation is given here. Join operation में क्या हो रहा है, join operation मतलब दो अलग अलग लिंक लिस्ट प्रोवाइड की होगी तो उन दोनों को ज्वाइन करना है. अब यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है जैसे A B C D दिया हुआ है, दूसरा में 12 52 15 100 दिया हुआ है, and address is given in all. Now here also the address is given. This address below address is given for the particular node. Now here it is null part is given. Now what we have to do, we if we want to join this part with this first node of this linked list, so what we have to do, we have to replace this null part with the address of this, that is 5050 we have to write here. So that will show the address of this particular node with information 12 and then it will continue till last 100. Now you can see here that is shown here 5050, that is here, that is given, right? So it will go towards 12. So D part, that is having the address node as a null, that is replaced by 5050, and finally it is showing the address of next. This is a join operation that is also more efficient in this. Now the split means what? Split means we have to divide the particular linked list into two parts. So for that what we are doing, here the particular part is given, that this is a particular linked list, that A, B, C, D, here it is given, here also A, B, C, D, here it is given, the same particular part is given. Now what we have to do, we have to, suppose we want to divide this 4 into 2 different linked lists. 4 different nodes are there, we have to divide into 2 different linked lists with the same number of nodes. then we have what to break this part, we have to just replace this B part address with the null, right? So then what will happen, this B part will the address will be replaced by the null. Then what will happen, that this particular part will break here, and this the new linked list will start from C again, and it will continue till D. So here we can see this B part is replaced by the null, and finally it is broken here, and finally we are continuing with the new linked list with the information C, and next node is D. So this is how to split. Now linked list is more memory compared. So here the more memory is compared to the array, because along with the value it stores the pointer to the next node also, right? So here the linked list is what here are among the simplest and most common data structures. They can be used to implement other data structures also, like stacks, queues, and symbolic expressions, etc. Now some operations are given here that we are going to see in this linked list. Here the operations as linked list are of what? The insert operation we have to see, that is at the first position, that is the last position, and the ordered list. Ordered list means what? Suppose I am giving you the particular sequence values in the node. Suppose 1 4 3 5 1 4 5 6, suppose here it is given in the sequence. If I want to insert any node with the information 2, then it will not what will it will do, it will compare the particular values that is given in the node. Suppose 1 and 4 and then 5 is given, so 2 will come between 1 and 4. So to insert that particular part into ordered list, so that is the ordered list. So we have to insert that part by comparing which one is greater and which one is lesser, and finally we have to arrange that particular part into sequence, that is a ordered list, that is insert into ordered list. Then delete, कोई भी नोड को आप डिलीट कर सकते हो. Then traverse means we have to visit each and every node one by one, that is, and finally we have to print that list with the information. Then copy linked list means what? एक जैसा दूसरा linked list आप लोग बना रहे हो, that is a copy. Now types of linked lists are what? The first one is a singly linked list, second is a circular linked list, and third one is the doubly linked list. In the starting we are going to see about the singly linked list. Now here the singly linked list is given here, in which the first particular node is pointed by this first, and this particular last one is address is pointed by the null part. And here this next is showing what? This is showing the address of the next one, and this is showing the address of next one, this is showing address of next one. So this is how this singly linked list is arranged. It is a basic type of linked list where each node contains data and pointer to the next node. Now last node हम लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे जो इसका information D दिया हुआ है उसमें null दिया हुआ है. Why it is null? Because it is the last node and it is not having any address of the next one. That's why it is null. Now the first node address is available with the pointer variable first. तो फर्स्ट वाला जो वेरिएबल है उसके अंदर फर्स्ट नोड का एड्रेस प्रोवाइड किया होगा पहले से. नाउ लिमिटेशन क्या है इसके अंदर? we can traverse only in one direction, forward direction, not in the back. Here the direction is given, this is the forward direction, so that is the limitation that is given here. Now typical node, here it is given, here the two different parts are there. The first one is data and second is the pointer to the next node. So this is a node, so we have to define the structure for this. So accessing port of the node, right? Accessing port of the node is what? फर्स्ट वन इज इन्फो, ब्रैकेट में नोड लिखा हुआ है, मतलब नोड का पर्टिकुलर इंफॉर्मेशन. लिंक, दैट इज एन एड्रेस दैट इज गिवन इन द पर्टिकुलर नोड ऑफ द नेक्स्ट वन. Now how to define the structure that is given here? So that is a C language structure to represent a node. So for that we have to define this structure part. Struct node is given. Struct node means what? The structure part is given with the name given as node. In that body part of the structure, we have to first of all we have to give the integer. Int means integer. Info is the variable in that integer. So we have to give the information in the form of numeric. Numeric information is to be given, not alphabetic or any other thing. Just an integer part is to be given in this information that is shown here. Next is the node is giving the first thing is information and second thing is address to the next one. So here the pointer part is given, that is a star link, that is showing what node. Star link means what, that is showing the address of the next node, so that is going towards the next node one by one. So this is how to define the structure of a node in the C language. Now what are the algorithms that we are going to see in this? First is the in this singly linked list is insert at first position, second is insert at last position, third one is insert in the ordered linked list, fourth one is that is the delete element, and fifth one is that is a copy linked list. Now next we are going to see availability stack. Availability stack means what? Now here the pool of the list of the free nodes. Availability मतलब कि available कौन कौन से nodes है, तो वो चीज़ें किस में बता रहा है, availability stack के अंदर बता रहा है. That is maintained in the conjunction with the linked location. Now here the node is to be inserted. The free node is taken from the availability stack and linked to the new list. On the other end, the deleted node from the list is added to the availability stack. तो जो भी डिलीट होता है वो पर्टिकुलर अवेलेबिलिटी स्टैक के अंदर चला जाता है, मतलब वो पार्ट अवेलेबल है ऐसा बताने के लिए. और फ्री नोड जो भी होगा वो भी अवेलेबिलिटी स्टैक में रहता है, ताकि बताने के लिए कि कौन सा पर्टिकुलर अवेलेबल है जिसके अंदर हम लोग नोड इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. राइट. सो हियर सपोज द नोड इज एम्प्टी, तो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज शोन एज हियर दैट इज अवेलेबल. ठीक है, अवेल दैट इज अवेलेबिलिटी स्टैक. सो हियर फर्स्ट पार्ट इज गिवन, दैट इज व्हाट द पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज एम्प्टी. So here we are now we will insert the particular first at the first. Now some new node is here, right? So when the new part is coming into it, inserting into it, so first part is occupied, then this particular part will be given to the new, and the availability now will go towards the next one, right? So here the availability is given here. So we have to check for the free node in the availability stack. Now first of all we have to check whether it is null or not. If it is null, then we have to write the availability stack is under flow, then we have to return. Then after that obtain the address of the next free node, that is what the new, that is avail. That avail part is that is given to the new, right? The avail part is given to the new. Now after that we have to remove the free node from the availability stack. Now available के अंदर मतलब avail वाला जो part है वो new को दे दिए. ठीक है, तो इसके अंदर क्या हो रहा है, अब avail वाला जो part है वो new को दे दिया है. तो avail ये वाला जो part दिख रहा है हमको, this part is given to the new. लेकिन अवेल वाला पार्ट अभी न्यू को दिया है, लेकिन अवेल वाला पार्ट अभी भी बाकी है. तो अवेल के अंदर क्या है, अवेल अब इसमें नेक्स्ट वाला पार्ट में देना है. तो अवेल का जो लिंक वाला जो पार्ट है वो अवेल के अंदर जाएगा. तो लिंक वाला पार्ट मतलब एड्रेस, नेक्स्ट एड्रेस होगा उसके अंदर. सो लिंक इज शोइंग व्हाट एड्रेस ऑफ द नेक्स्ट वन. सो नाउ अवेल विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द एड्रेस ऑफ this particular new one, this avail part. So now that avail will be gone towards the next. So here it is given the link avail is, here it is given that link avail is given what, link avail is given to the avail. Now so that's why it is going towards the next node. So remove the free node from the availability stack, and finally it will go towards the next. Now how to insert, that we will show here. Now here the X part is given, that is a new element that is going to be inserted, and the first is a pointer to the first element of the singly linked list here. So that is what the particular part is to be inserted at the first position, that is showing here. So this function is inserting what, a new node at the first position of the singly linked list. So it will return the address of the first node, and finally the first is the pointer of the first element of the linked list. Now the typical node contains the info and the link fields. Now avail is a pointer to the top element of the availability stack, and the new is the temporary pointer variable. Now next part, here we can see Now here what we are able to see here that this is the underflow part. If avail is equal to null, अवेल इज इक्वल टू नल का मतलब वो पार्ट खाली है, एम्प्टी है, मतलब अगर नल है मतलब कोई भी पार्ट दैट इज अंडर फ्लो, मतलब नन ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर पार्ट इज अवेलेबल, दैट इज अंडर फ्लो, सो इट विल रिटर्न डायरेक्टली फर्स्ट. आफ्टर दैट obtain the address of the next free node. So how to obtain the address of the next free node? So that available is given to the new. So whatever is available in the particular linked list, that particular node will be assigned to the new node. And after that, remove the free node from availability stack. तो फ्री नोड जो हो गया, मतलब ये फाइनली फ्री नोड को क्या कर रहा है, वो रिमूव करेगा इसमें से, अवेलेबिलिटी स्टैक में से. फाइनली इट विल गो टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट. तो इसका जो लिंक एड्रेस था वो अब अवेल के अंदर चला जाएगा. सो फाइनली इट विल गो टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट वन. नाउ वी हैव टू इनिशियलाइज द fields of the new node and its link to the list. Now finally info new is given to the x. अब जो न्यू पार्ट था उसके अंदर जो इन्फॉर्मेशन x थी वो हम लोग प्रोवाइड कर देंगे इसके अंदर, और लिंक न्यू के अंदर क्या आ जाएगा, फर्स्ट पार्ट आ जाएगा, राइट. सो फर्स्ट विल बी असाइंड टू द लिंक न्यू, राइट. तो न्यू वाला जो पार्ट है, अब फर्स्ट वाला किसको पॉइंट करेगा, अब वो न्यू वाले पार्ट को. So it will now finally it will return new, and finally here it is given how it is doing. So this is the new part that is to be inserted into this linked list. That first information is given as 10. Now what we'll do, now here the info part is given, the info part यहाँ पे 50 दिया हुआ है, और फर्स्ट वाला लिंक लिस्ट यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वाला इसको पॉइंट करेगा, ठीक है. और फाइनली इसके लिंक में हम लोग किसको डाल देंगे, हम लोग फर्स्ट वाला जो लिंक न्यू वाला जो है, न्यू के लिंक में आप कौन सा चला जाएगा, तो फर्स्ट को जो पॉइंट कर रहा था अब वो, तो फर्स्ट को कौन सा पॉइंट कर रहा था, अभी 10 कर रहा था, इसका जो लिंक जो है पार्ट है उसमें कौन सा जाएगा, वो फर्स्ट वाला. नाउ फर्स्ट विल बी प्लेस हियर, सो न्यू विल बी फाइनली रिटर्न. सो दिस इज हाउ वी आर इंसर्टिंग एट द फर्स्ट पोजिशन. इसका मतलब है कि IENS दैट इज इंसर्ट एंड END एट द लास्ट पोजिशन, वी कैन से end means last position of the linked list. How we will do that we will see here it will, x is the new element, that is first is the pointer, and now info and link fields is given. Avail is the pointer to the top element, and new is the temporary pointer variable. Same things are given here. Now how we will insert that part, that we will see here. Now here we have to check first of all whether it is null or not. If it is null, then we have to just write the error message that it is underflow. And finally we have to return the first. Now if it is not, then we have to go towards the second. Then avail part is given to the new, that is a free part that is going to be inserted with the new element. Then after that link avail will be given there with this avail part, right, that, and then it will go towards the next one. After that initialize the fields. Now the new part will be given with x, and this null part will be given with this new, right. Now we have to check if the first is null or not. If the first is null, then we have to return the new, and directly new हो जाएगा क्योंकि लास्ट तो कुछ होगा ही नहीं क्योंकि फर्स्ट ही null है इसके अंदर. एंड सेकेंडली what we have to do, initialize the search. एंड तो सेव करके एक वेरिएबल हम लोग लेंगे, जो फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट हम लोग फाइनली इनिशियली उसके अंदर डालेंगे, और फिर क्या करेंगे, सेव को एक एक करके हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जब तक वो नल नहीं आ जाता, उसका लिंक का जो सेव पार्ट है, जब तक नल नहीं आएगा तब तक वो कंटिन्यू क्या करेगा, वो नेक्स्ट में जाता रहेगा, नेक्स्ट 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 करके जाता रहेगा, क्योंकि हम लोगों को एक एक करके विजिट करना पड़ेगा वो चेक करने के लिए कि लास्ट नोड में जो नल वाला जो लिंक है वो कहाँ पर है. तो एक एक करके वो चेक, एंड फाइनली इट विल, इसके अंदर सेव नल आ जाएगा. देन फाइनली उस लिंक के अंदर हम लोग न्यू पार्ट को इंसर्ट कर देंगे, एंड फाइनली इट विल रिटर्न द फर्स्ट. अब इसमें एग्जांपल जैसे दिया हुआ है, सो हियर द 50 पार्ट इज गिवन हियर. तो सेव कहाँ पे था, सेव पहले स्टार्टिंग में फर्स्ट 10 को पॉइंट किया उसने सेव से. सो हियर द सेव इज पॉइंटेड बाय दिस फर्स्ट, दैट इज 10. then it will go towards with this link towards the next, then it will go towards next next next. कब तक, जब तक उसका सेव का जो नल लिंक पार्ट है वो नल नहीं आता. तो 44 का जो लिंक पार्ट है वो नल था, तो यहाँ पे उसने स्टॉप किया, और फाइनली सेव में मतलब ये पर्टिकुलर नोड आ चुका है। अब इसका सेव में जो लिंक में क्या करेंगे हम लोग, लिंक में इसके न्यू वाले पार्ट से उसको रिप्लेस करेंगे। सो नाउ फाइनली और फिर उसके अंदर ये नेक्स्ट न्यू के अंदर जो लास्ट जो नेक्स्ट वाला जो पार्ट होगा लिंक वाला पार्ट, उसको नल से रिप्लेस करेंगे। एंड फाइनली this is how to insert at the end position. So this is all over. Now we will continue in the next part with this insert at the in the ordered list. Okay, so finally this is all. This is not all. Finally we will continue in the next, and thank you for watching this YouTube channel, and finally um, we will continue with the next part of this in the next lecture. And don't forget to subscribe it, share it, and finally if any comment you want to do, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.